Hey guys, here's a quick question, if you will. And granted, if you've been watching many of my videos, you know that I don't really do anything too quick. Kind of laid back, if you will. That being said, here's a question for you. Would you spend a week to learn a process that could eliminate your 9 to 5? You know, currently there's people that's out here on the internet, like myself, and they could be anywhere from 30 to 70, which I do fall in that category, that are making anywhere from 3 to 5K per week. Yeah, per week. Are you doing that in a 9 to 5? Might be something to think about. Guys, it's 2022 and there's no reason for you to be broke. So, if you're interested, if you'd like to see what I'm talking about, it's free. Just watch a short 5-minute video. See if you like it. See if it's something that interests you. Also, you could hit the like, maybe a thumbs up, that kind of thing. Do a follow, maybe a subscribe. That'd be cool. And how about you comment? Say, show me. Later.